Yeah, and maybe, if you're okay, Julie, I just would like to make a quick step back. So I'm Stephane. I'm heading the sales, the global sales for the Climate Solution segment in Danfoss. Similar experience as you guys, because we are more or less in the industry for about 30 years, so same generation, I believe, lots of experience here. And Julie, just to set a little bit the scene here, what are we talking about today? Just for all of you guys, and thank you for being here today. I mean, you are many of you in that session, so that's cool to see that. What are we talking about? Because when we talk about buildings, commercial buildings, special purpose building, data centers, supermarkets, whatever, there are basically three elements that we should be looking at if we want to really achieve energy saving. The first one is the one that we are not looking at here. This is the envelope. This is the way the building is designed. So here, super nice building. I don't believe this is a super efficient building, the way it's designed, to be honest. Let's see this afternoon, let's see the temperature, but let's see. Then the other two things, this is where we come into play here. This is the energy generation, how we produce the energy, the heat, or how do we cool. So there's a lot of things also from a control perspective to do. And then the third element, it is how do we distribute the heat, how do we control. And this is back to what Frank explained, and this is exactly this thing. So I think today this is where we should be spending time, a little bit less on energy generation and more on controls. And you guys, you started to mention that. There are some super key elements here in terms of speed, readiness, technology readiness, and return on the investment. And I believe that's what we will be talking about. Putting things into perspective. Just in front of us here, we have the Alsic Hotel. I don't know who have been staying there. Yeah, I hope it has been a comfortable experience. Super, I have not paid this gentleman, to be clear. So very cool. And this is really all the technology in action into that building. Controls, I believe you guys, you may have some of your products into that building. And this is really, we have achieved 80% CO2 footprint reduction. 80%, so we can talk later about what we have done. And I'm very happy here today we have a CTO of a company who has designed the energy generation of that building, 1 megawatt chiller. So yeah, we have achieved a lot, and controls here plays an absolute key role.